Alan from Sugarland has a question about a door out of whack.
It's totally whacked out, Tom. It's his front door. And Alan writes to us, it's hard to lock and unlock, and the inner door also seems to be out of balance as well. It's a steel or iron door, he says, Tom. And he says, how can I tell if it's a door problem or a foundation problem?
I think the best way to tell is call Due West Foundation Repair out and have them read the house and see what the house is telling them. They're going to find out if it's moving all around or not. It's as simple as that, and they'll tell you if it is or it isn't. Because you can look at it all day long by yourself, and if you don't know what to look for, if you don't know how to use a water level and things like this to really read the house, you're just going to waste your time.
Now,
and when it's your house and you don't want it to have foundation problems, you usually talk yourself out of what might be a foundation problem. So I'd get another party in there just to give you some fresh eyes. Doesn't cost you anything.
Sure
you can tell them to leave if you want afterwards, but at least you get, I think, a right answer.
Now, I know that he says that he's worried about the budget on this thing. I think what he wants a way to fix the door, even if it's the foundation, so it'll work right. But that doesn't sound like a good program to me.
If your foundation needs to be fixed, you have to address the foundation. The door, we can get it to work right afterwards. But if there's a bigger problem, I don't know. I hate to use something morbid, but if you have a really bad disease, you don't treat it a cold. You treat the disease. So, I mean, that's what the house has. If it's going to have a problem like that, it's got a problem that has to be addressed exact.
Okay, so bite the bullet, call Due West, and have them come take a look at it.
Yeah, just get an idea of what's going on. I mean, it's that simple, and it doesn't cost anything. But they'll have the expertise to tell them.
All right. Do you have a question like that or something you're kind of afraid to look at? You want Tom's advice on what to do? Go and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button. Fill it in, send it in. We'll do a video just like this to answer it and help you out. In fact, we've done hundreds of these videos, and you'll find them all at our website at HomeShowRadio.com and on our YouTube channel if you want to search around, maybe find an answer there.